Hi, this is John with WTI, and out of all these different Bluetooth mouse that I've had, this has been the most convenient one. This is the TECKNET Bluetooth mouse, and one of the things that I like the most from here is that it's connected without dongles. It's easy to pair to multiple devices. It's ergonomic, long-lasting battery. It has the AA batteries, the AAA batteries. That you can put them in the back, slap them there, and you can forget about forever because the battery in here lasts a long time. The feeling in the hand is pretty good. It's a snappy mouse. You can bring it almost anywhere, and you can just connect it with your Bluetooth of your computer, your phone, or your laptop. This has been a savior for me whenever I'm using my laptop because when I'm trying to do any productivity work, having a mouse is way much better than a stylus or having just the touch of the screen. So, a great product. And this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.